Hi, I go by the name Robert, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to make money online. We are going to be promoting people's products and earn money from that. What we need to do is to head over to Play Store and search for an app called Tendo. You search for this app called Tendo. Okay, search for the app Tendo. When it looks, look here, this particular app right here, this particular app. Click on install to install the app, and then after installing the app, click on open. So I've already installed it, so I'm just going to click on open directly. Then it will be taking you to this page. It will take you to this page where here where there are so many products. As you can see, top categories, we have bags, watch, phone and sneakers. So let's scroll up and then look for a particular product which we would like to promote. So let's take, for instance, we want to promote something like, let's look for one particular product that people are going to be interested in. So come let's take, for instance, this laptop over here. So just click on the laptop. Let's wait for it to load. Now, as you can see, the price of the laptop is 5,400 Ghana cedis. 5,400 Ghana cedis. And the description is right here. Lenovo IdeaPad S145 laptop. Then it comes with hard drive of 512 SSD, 8 gig RAM, and then the processor, you can see, operating system Windows 10, and many more other things. So now what you need to do here for us to earn more money on this, now as you can see, there are so many people that wants to buy a laptop. So what you are going to do is to download these pictures right here. So let's click on it and then screenshot the picture. Let's do a quick screenshot and then crop it. Then we save. Then we switch to this side also. Another screenshot. Then we save. So let's do that to all the pictures available here. So let's switch to the next one. Okay, now that we are done with that, and you can see the description, the price and everything. So for we to make money, we are going to help share this product. So come here, click on share, and now where it says add profit, now you add the amount of money, the profit you want to make from selling this laptop. You are not going to sell it. All what you need to do is to promote this and then add your profit to it. So let's say you want to add a profit of 100 Ghana cedis. Move this bar right here and let it be 100 Ghana cedis. So let me just do this. I guess doing this to 100 Ghana cedis is very difficult, so let's go by the short way. Come back and then click on order. Now as you can see here, they said you have added Ghana cedis 0.00 profit. So let's add our profit, which is 100 cedis. Then now the total price, the new price is going to change from 5,400 Ghana cedis to 5,500 Ghana cedis. Now let's pick, what you do is to pick a color for the product. Pick the color in which you want. So in case maybe you want black or any color, so let's enter black here. But actually we don't want to order this, so if in case someone wants to order it, that is when you will come to this page and then click on order and then add all that. So let's black, so let's just add this to cart for now. So let's add it to cart. Now it has been successfully added. So now let's go to Facebook and then post this at the Facebook marketplace. Now that we're on Facebook, let's head over to Facebook marketplace. Just click here, then click on marketplace and then click on sell. Let me show you this. I've been doing this for quite a while now, so just come. So you click here. As you can see, these are my products that has been listed: 1, 2, 3 and then 4. I've listed 4 products right here and I've made so much from it. So we'll come back and then click on sell. Then we enter our category. Then let's go down and then click on appliance. No, come here and then click on come to electronics and computers. Click on that. Now let's select the condition of the laptop. It's a brand new laptop, so let's come here and then select new for condition. Now the brand is, now where it says brand, let's go back and then click on the now brand. The brand, as you can see, it is Lenovo. So let's come and then now the brand is right here, so it's this. Copy and then paste the brand over there. Copy, then you click on paste. Now where it says size, let's come back and see whether we'll see the size of it right here. Actually there is no size right here, so we just go back and then let's copy the name of what we are going to sell. Click, copy. Now what are you selling? Paste the name over here. Now the price, it's now we added a price sum of 100 Ghana cedis, so now the price is 5,500 Ghana cedis. So let's do that, 5,500 Ghana cedis. So location, enter location. I'm at Sogakope, but since the people, the Accra, since the people that we are doing the thing for, they are located in Accra, it's a Ghanaian based app. The app is for Ghanaians and it's for a company. So let's select the location, which is Accra, Ghana. Then description, let's go copy the description. Then click on copy, come to description and then paste. Now don't list this item as a single item. Click here and then click on list as in stock. So because the people have it plenty over there, so you just click list as in stock. So just click that one. Then you can choose to offer shipping, or you can hide this from your friends as well. Since we are not, it's not a bad thing we are doing, so we won't hide it from our friends. So let's come and then click where it says photos. Then we add the photos, the screenshots which we took of the item. So now okay, now that we have uploaded all our images, let's click on publish. Now as you can see here, you can list up to 20 groups. Now I've only listed it to one group, so now let's click on share. Now it's done. Our item has been successfully uploaded to Facebook Marketplace. Now let's look for it. Now click on the profile right here. And as you can see, this is our product right here. So in case you've sold it, you can click on mark as sold out. Mark as sold out right here. So now that we've posted that here, let's head over to WhatsApp, and then also let's also post this on our WhatsApp status also. So we head over, come to WhatsApp, and then go to your status section, then click here. After selecting the item, now let's click here and then paste the description over here. Then we switch to the next picture, and then we also enter something like for sale. Then price is Ghana cedis 5,500 Ghana cedis. It's 5,500 Ghana cedis. So now let's post this on our WhatsApp, and then that's all for promoting of the products. That's all we need to do now. Since we've added this to cart, what you can do next, you can also choose to do this to more products as well. And also please make sure you add them to your cart. In case someone wants to order it, then you go back to the cart and then click on order over there, or you can go and then click on share, copy the link. Okay, let's come here where it says share, then click on share. After adding our profit, which I just switched anyhow, then added 23 Ghana cedis, you just go down here and then click on share product. Now it will take you for you to share it to WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, or share it with any of your social media platforms. After sharing that, make sure you copy the link and save it somewhere. In case a customer thinks it's a scam, that you are not going to send them the products, give them the link and tell them to order it from the company direct. Tell them to order it from the company, and you also, when they use your link, you are going to get your commission, your profit which you added to it. Now do this as many times as you can. You are going to earn a lot from this app. This app was developed in Ghana. It's for Ghanaians, and as you can see, there are many products right here. This app was developed in Ghana, and they are just like Jumia, but for their delivery is really quick. When you order something from them, in less than 2 to 3 days, in 2 to 3 working days, they are going to send you your product. They are going to send you your product without you stressing yourself for when are you going to get your product, when this, when that. Like Jumia, for instance, when you order a product, it may take up to 1 month, 2 to 3 weeks before you get your product, and sometimes they don't give you your original product. And also, one thing about this app is that when you order a product and it takes 1 to 2 to 3 days and your product gets delivered, when the customer doesn't return it within 2 days, and the customer does not issue a refund or a return, they will give you your profit. But when the customer returns the product back, they are not going to give you your profit. Yes, that is one thing you should also bear in mind. But the most interesting thing is you are going to get a lot of money from this website. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new contents on this channel. Please help this channel to get up to 100 subscribers or 50 subscribers before this year ends. Currently we only have 24 subscribers. As you can see on your screen, we only have 24 subscribers. So help share. The link to the channel will be in the description below. So please do not hesitate to share this channel's link for us to get more views and then more subscribers on this channel. Thank you.